In an experiment to investigate a factor affecting photosynthesis, a leaf of a potted plant which had been kept in the dark overnight was covered with aluminium foil, as shown in the image. The setup was kept in sunlight for 3 hours, after which a food test was carried out on the leaf. Roman 1. State the results of the food test. B. Account for the results in Roman 1 above.
Roman 1. The covered part of the plant remained. The color of iodine and uncovered parts turned blue-black. Roman 2. Starch was formed in the uncovered parts due to presence of light, while no starch was formed due to the lack of light in the covered plant.
Photosynthesis is the process in which light energy is converted into chemical energy. Using the energy of light, carbohydrates such as sugars are synthesized from carbon dioxide and water. The process of photosynthesis.
The process of photosynthesis occurs when green plants use the energy to light to convert carbon dioxide, that is CO2, and water, that is HO2, into carbohydrates. Light energy is absorbed by chlorophyll, a photosynthetic pigment of the plant, while air containing carbon dioxide and oxygen enters the plant through the leaf stomata. An extreme important byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, on which most organisms depend.
Glucose, a carbohydrate processed during photosynthesis, is mostly used by plants as an energy source to build leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Molecules of glucose later combine with each other to form more complex carbohydrates such as starch and cellulose. The cellulose is the structural material used in plant cell walls. Photosynthesis provides the basic energy source for virtually all organisms. Factors affecting photosynthesis. For a constant rate of photosynthesis, various factors are needed at an optimum level. Here are some of the factors affecting photosynthesis.
1. Light intensity, that is, an increased light intensity leads to a high rate of photosynthesis, and a low light intensity will mean low rate of photosynthesis.
Concentration of carbon dioxide. Higher carbon dioxide concentration increases the rate of photosynthesis. Normally, the carbon dioxide concentration of 0.03 to 0.04% is sufficient for photosynthesis.
Temperature. An efficient photosynthesis requires an optimum temperature range between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius.
Water. Water is an essential factor for photosynthesis. The lack of water also leads to a problem for carbon dioxide intake. If water is scarce, the leaves refuse to open their stomata to keep water they have stored inside.
Polluted atmosphere. The pollutants and gases, that is, impure carbon, settle on leaves and block the stomata, making it difficult to take in carbon dioxide. A polluted atmosphere can lead to a 15% decrease in the rate of photosynthesis.
Next question.